Welcome to Market King. So imagine you're standing in front of two restaurants. One restaurant is full of people and the other restaurant is empty. Which one are you going to go to? Are you going to go to the full restaurant or are you going to go to the empty restaurant? The chances are very good you'll walk straight into the full restaurant. Okay? So what are we going to talk about today? We're going to talk about social proof and why social proof is so important for online trading companies. So statistics shows that 92% of consumers trust recommendations over advertising. Okay, so that says a lot. Okay, recommendation over advertising. Okay, because you can do all the advertising that you want. You can pay thousands and thousands of dollars on advertising. But if your product isn't going to make people talk and recommend you, then you have a value problem, okay? So then you want to actually go back to the problem, and that is the value problem. So if people aren't speaking about your company and telling other people what you are doing for them, what your strategies, what your courses, what your mentorships are doing for them, and they're not afraid to take a video and tell people, then you have a value problem, okay? So if you ask someone for a testimonial and they don't want to give it to you, then you have a value problem. Okay, so what does social proof do to other people hearing it or seeing it on social media? Okay, so the first thing that it does, and the one thing that you have to focus on, is it builds trust. Okay, so you see a trust pilot of Forex Worldwide Academy, okay, and they've got a 4-star review. And then you see another company, Forex for All, and they've got a 2-star rating. Which one will you consider? You're going to consider Forex Worldwide Academy because they have more social proof than Forex for All. Okay? So the first thing that it does is it builds trust. The second thing it does, it creates FOMO. Okay? Now people see your clients are winning. Now people hear your academy is the best. Your academy has a 4-star, 5-star review. What do? They get FOMO. They want to get in. They want to win with you. Okay? And it's creating a tribe. Now you're starting to create a tribe because people aren't afraid to tell other people that they are part of Forex Worldwide Academy. That's the power of social proof. And another thing is, no one wants to be the first guinea pig of any product. Okay? So you want to make sure if you've got people inside your academy, you want to get social proof. Now, where a lot of trading companies go wrong with this is they ask their clients to share their profits that they're making, okay? So the public is getting very smart to sniff out when something is weird, okay? They know exactly when reviews are faked. They can see it. They can see when 500 reviews are saying the same message. Okay? They can see when there's no spelling errors in any of the 500 reviews. Okay? So they can sniff out bullshit. Okay? So you want to make sure you stay away of, okay, Pete's got a certificate. Nice. You want to stay away of screenshots of profits. Anyone can download screenshots of profits. So you want to make sure your social proof is powerful. Okay? And the way that you're going to do that is to ask your clients if they can take a 30-second video of exactly what you did for them. Okay? Now another thing is, 1 or 2 of these won't do the job. You need hundreds of these. Okay? If you can get hundreds of these 30-second videos and you can post it on your social media, and you can add it on your website, and you can add it on your sales page, your social proof game is on. People are going to get into your course. Okay? Social proof is where the money is at for trading companies. And stay away from any fake things. Okay? Make sure you provide value that's unbeatable. And get video testimonials. Add it everywhere. And create that trust for your brand. Okay? Create trust for your brand. Create FOMO for your brand. Okay? That's what you want. Now let's get into the psychological effects of what social proof do to people that sees it on your social media, sees it on your website, sees it on your sales page. Okay? The psychological effects of social proof, your subscribers and followers. Okay? It destroys fear first, okay? Fear of, am I going to get scammed again? Am I going to lose my money? Am I going to get value? Okay? So it destroys fear. Another thing that it destroys is risk, okay? So everyone that wants to buy something over $100, and especially in the online trading industry, feel like it's a risk to do this. Am I going to take this risk or not? Because of all the scams out there, okay? So it breaks down the risk factor inside of their mind because they see people, they see the videos, they see people say good things about your company, they see before and afters. They see that one person that only had $500 in their account, and they see a video of that person with a nice watch, and that person says, I made $5,000 in 5 months thanks to this system. Okay? That takes the risk away. And it accelerates buying decision. Okay, so what does the accelerate buying decision mean? So, if you're a trading company with an online course or a mentorship program, you know what an abandoned cart is, okay? You know exactly what an abandoned cart is. That's your worst enemy. Okay, that's where you see the money almost hitting your account, but that person walks away. Why? Because of a buying decision. That person had a trigger inside of their mind, and they decided not to buy, okay? So you want your testimonials, your video testimonials on the checkout. You want it on the checkout to accelerate buying decision. Buying decisions. Okay? So you want to get away to get those videos on the checkout so that they are reminded of these people that are real and not fake, that went into your courses and that got value, the before and afters. Okay? The stories. The hype. Okay? That's what you want. You want to accelerate their buying decisions, and that's what social proof is going to do for you. So, make sure you reach out to your current clients. Make sure you ask them for a 30-second video. You can even give something in return. Tell them, everyone that's going to give a 30-second testimonial of what your product has done for them will get a free live session with you. Okay? So give an incentive as well. Just to boost the social proof. Okay, so get your social proof ready, Get it on your website, get it on your sales pages, share it with the world. You're going to see magic happening for your company. Like and subscribe to this channel and let me know in the comments if there's any other sales and marketing topic you want me to cover, and I'll get to work. See you in the next video.